Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Qtrade Direct Investing. Qtrade Direct Investing is an online brokerage service that allows users to buy and sell stocks, bonds, ETFs, and other investment products. Its main purpose is to provide self-directed investing capabilities to individuals, making it ideal for those comfortable managing their own portfolios. Key features typically include online trading, research tools, and account management capabilities. Their website provides details on specific offerings and account types. Qtrade positions itself as a user-friendly platform offering competitive pricing. They highlight ease of use and transparent pricing, claiming no hidden fees, although specific fee structures should be checked on their website. While they don't explicitly boast a cutting-edge technology like 5G, their platform generally aims for a smooth and efficient trading experience. Availability is nationwide for Canadian residents, and eligibility is determined during the account application process. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Qtrade Direct Investing. Getting started was straightforward. The account setup was quick and easy, requiring only the standard KYC, know your customer, information. Navigating the interface was intuitive enough. I quickly found my way around the dashboard, placing my first trade within minutes. I particularly liked the watchlist feature, which allowed me to easily monitor my chosen stocks. Performance-wise, the platform was generally reliable. I experienced no significant outages or delays in executing trades. I had a quick question about transferring funds, and their support responded within 2 days via email, a reasonable turnaround time. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The information was clearly presented, and finding specific data points was never a problem. The standout feature for me was definitely the comprehensive research tools provided. One minor drawback was the slightly dated design of the website. It could benefit from a more modern look and feel. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Qtrade Direct Investing. While it has a few minor quirks, it generally met my needs, and I'd recommend it to anyone comfortable with self-directed investing. That's my overview of Qtrade Direct Investing. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.